It's a Saturday and we have come here to the Saturday market, and in this video I just wanted to show you what you guys can get here in the monsoon. And just at the entrance you will see all this being sold here. So these are pickles and these are the famous bags. We have one of this here. I have my mother-in-law here. He said 130 for this bag and that is 150. Okay, while she is trying to get a good bargain, let me also show you what's there over here. So these are some lovely eggs that you can buy here. इसका डजन का कितना है? 200. Okay, so this is 200 rupees a dozen, and you can see a lime, and then there's so much. This here is the vegetable section, and this here is all the breads that are being sold, fresh breads. Croquets and so many different things. But to be honest, when we bought it from here, I was not very impressed. I like La Confiserie in Kandolim and St. Joseph Bakery in Mapsa. So this is the fruit section here. I'm just waiting for my mother-in-law. She's buying a bag. And so many mangoes here. We've eaten a lot of mangoes, but I never really get the most of mangoes. So I'm going to get some from here as well. How much you paid for this bag?
130.
130, okay. Paid 130. And look at this. These are all the dry fruit section. Sunflower seeds. Different kinds of seeds are being sold. So we had pumpkin, but you heard something else. That's okay, it's expected in these markets. We bought that for 150 rupees. 300, 150 and this total for all this was 450 rupees. And we are buying cashew as well. 100 rupees for cashew.
500.
This side here you can find all spices, and here there are all incense sticks. So in many parts of India, unfortunately, there is news that all the incense sticks are going to be banned, the mosquito incense sticks, but we rarely use that one, citronella and lemongrass. This one here, very good for mosquitoes. And here you can get the fragrance of fresh bhajiyas and vadas, and look at this mirchi here. So this is a section that I really like a lot, and we have tried all the stuff here. It's quite good. But yeah, all these sections here, the food items, not very impressive. Bought so many times, but it was really disappointing. Okay, I have to follow my mother-in-law wherever she goes. So this here, at the entrance here, all umbrellas and everything is being sold. How much palak?
50 rupees for
50 rupees
spring
for
onion.
spinach, and this is spring onion here. So this side here is all the vegetable section. कितने तक? Spring onion? So 10 rupees, 60 rupees for all this. So yeah, you have to get proper change here and cash here, in case if you don't have Google Pay. Most of the old folks
She
don't
didn't
use.
give this.
Spring onion she gave.
No, she didn't give plastic. Take plastic, huh? No,
Plastic?
they all will become mixed.
Yeah. You have to keep requesting her. Keep requesting for plastic. She's mixed up everything now. Now these are all kept in vantas. I will ask her. त्याचे कितले वांट्याक? वांग्याक? 20. सगळे 20? 30. So that is 30. This is 20. And corn here, what is this? We bought pumpkin. How much you paid for pumpkin?
50 rupees too.
50 rupees too. 2 slices of these and lime. So yeah, quite decent rates. I'm going to get some karela, 30 for 1 vata, and for 2, 50 rupees. Too much hustle and bustle here. We almost forgot the lime that we purchased. And all these are kept here in vata. Bindi vata kitna? 30, 250. 30 for 1 and 50 for 2. If you're coming here, be careful of your wallets and your phones. I have kept mine in the bag, and now we are moving forward to get buy some more things. Tomatoes here, again brinjals here, bridge board. Look at this. There's so much here as well. So yeah, it's obviously not as big as the Mapsa market, but then for someone who lives in this area, Saturday market is a very good option. Look at this. Look at the number of people that come to this market. How much for tomatoes?
50 rupees, 1.5 kg.
Even onions here are 50 rupees for 1.5 kg. Sorry, I misheard, guys. 2.5 kgs here is for 100 rupees. Onions are quite big in size, but yeah, in other markets we've heard 3 kgs for 100 rupees. So slightly expensive. I don't know if the rates have gone up. This side as well, lots of different vegetables. Potatoes here, 1.5 kg is 50 rupees.
Huh?
Cauliflower, this one here is 50 rupees. So we are going to buy 50 rupees.
And a cabbage bee.
It's a very humid day today, not raining. We will be heading to the fish section, so I'll also show you what kind of fish you get here.
याद है ना तुमको?
Let me ask him the rates.
500 रुपया नहीं दिया मेरे को गाली ये नहीं ये लिया था हाँ
So my mother-in-law had not taken the garlic last time. She had paid, but so she is going to take it. This one here is the ginger, and this one here is the
अच्छा
garlic.
है थैंक यू हाँ
So yeah, this guy. He was kind and he did not create any issues. He just gave the garlic packet. I don't know if he remembers or not, but yeah, that was nice of him to do that. 200 rupees she's saying for this 200. And then there are prawns here. We are taking this. This is what, Velio?
Yeah, it looks.
Velio, this is 200 rupees. Let's proceed further and see what all they have. Mackerel here as well, but this fish here doesn't look that fresh. That one there is the ladyfish. So yeah, decent fish here. This ladyfish, this looks good. This looks fresh. Ega kitla want hai? 1000. Okay, so this is 1000. It's a bit on the pricey side because it's ladyfish. But yeah, it tastes very good in case you've not had it. And I like this one here as well. This one is shetki. This how much?
400 दी 400
350 दी
आयशाचं वाटप आहे 400
Shetki, no? This shetki, she's giving for 400 rupees one toe. Initially she said 500. But yeah, this also a very tasty fish. And lepo here, this one, sole fish, this is 500 rupees. We've taken half wanta. Prawns, yeah, take. We'll take prawns as well, although Adrian and her mom are allergic to prawns, but I love prawns, guys. How much for this?
500
500 rupees. Okay, let's see. We are trying to see if we can get a better. Although this is a small place, but it's very nice, very clean, and very well maintained. So there are some really nice seating arrangements for everyone here. And this year, auntie has dry fish. How much for this dry fish?
206
206 for bangdo, and this dodiaro, no? How much this is for?
क्या जगह
Eka kitla, auntie?
क्या जगह
दोनशे
और 50
दोनशे ना
I really enjoyed this conversation. My mother-in-law was saying, we have Brian here from Salt by the Bay restaurant in Kandalur. So yeah, my mother-in-law was saying put for 200 and auntie was like directly, no, take for 400, and my mother-in-law was like, no, I don't have money. So yeah, some funny conversation. She's still trying to force her, but yeah, we've taken bombil as well. How much for this? 100 rupees, 150 per packet. Because this is a local market, we always end up meeting people whom we know. And even when I go to Mapsa market, I always end up meeting someone or the other whom I know. So that's really nice. Good thing, the entire week you're busy with your work, and then weekends you meet some people whom you know. So It's a good thing. I remember her. She had, I don't think if she remembers me, but we had gone to eat at Michael's Cafe. She was there. Uda Sanu? Michael Cafe. Good, good, Kalangut. She is a very jolly personality. Acha now kide? That's the fish market section from the outside. So on the left here there are some aunties who are selling, and then here as well. We're done with our shopping and just came here to this section to look for plants. And look at this. There are lime growing here. Santra, okay. This one is orange. And this is 500 rupees for one. And there's lime as well in case if you like that. How much is lime?
800.
Oh, lime is 800 rupees. Very expensive, guys. And this one here is sweet lime.
ये कितले आते?
I think it's time to say goodbye to this market now. My mother-in-law wants to get some chicken, so we are going to go outside and get some chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive. And let's just check what is there over here.